How to do the cartoon clarity TikTok trend. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I'll show you how you can do this trend right here with cartoon clarity effect and also where you can find this filter. So first of all we will need to find the cartoon clarity filter, and for that you can either search for a video which has this filter right here from the bottom left corner, or you can just click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for cartoon clarity and then click on a video that has that filter, just like this. You can also click here at the top on this icon from the right corner and then to make a video with it you will have to press on the play button. Just like this. Once you're happy with it, you can click on the next button and you can share this with your friends. You can search for hashtag cartoon clarity for you and your favorite hashtags. And now you just have to click on the post button from the right bottom corner. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. You can comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.